Guku ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Maundu maria mageretio ni regime ino mokite maka backfire. Ni kwa hena maandamano. Na maandamano maria marikuo ni tuone guns cioka guku mucii wa Nairobi makiambia kuhura protesters, peaceful protesters. Toro uguo tu makiuna kana magifuja duka ya laptops, makiya laptops. The same guns tona wanaonekana kamera. Guns ecio ni tuonia makihetukira ja ya City Hall. Na makihetukira ja ya City Hall kwa ofisi ya governor wa Nairobi cikoragwo. Niko mauga Sakaja twaruta wira waku. Now, higo kora backfire, guns ya ni mokite makauga na makauga ati ni kurihwo marihirwo igetha moke ng'ethane na protesters. Ate gutuike protesters ya ni mathukagia. The same guns makauga atiriri twarirwo 2,000 no ithwe amwe turayo 500 na 1,000. Kwina mutongoria wa guns aya aretwo Swale na mundu tona wanako hakumono na mundu ogwitwo Sakaja. Swale kuria tuika ni atumirirwo kani atumagirwo kuriha guns aya. It's alleged still mundu ogwitwo Gaucho onake no atumagirwo kuriha guns aya mena Swale. Swale erabidire aume mucii wa Nairobi athie kwa gicagi na ekore gicagi arauga atiriri maundu ni mathukire ari band. Agashoka akauga atiriri ati Gen Z joherai maandamano mataiki 25 tugakote hamwe na inywe. Kwina uthuthuria urekirwo ni Citizen TV muthenya wa ira mathi kure guns acio mari kwina mauna agitwo kwina methibithai kwina ya mahurirwo guns ya marauga atiriri they were being paid igetha gutekereza uhalifu guku thiini wa mucii wa Nairobi na kuhura protesters. Undu ucio ni mageririe kung'ethanira na protesters ora backfire. Kwina maandamano ma date 25 kana kwina mirurungano ya date 25 hau na strategy ya gucounter mirurungano yo ni iriku because already they have been exposed. Already washakuwa exposed. Yo Swale akiaria na mukuona uria araugire. Yo Swale akiaria, ladies and gentlemen.
Wakenya jo mmenikimbiza jo na matusi enye niliband. Acha tu nikubali kama binadamu niliband. Na kuband kwangu wenyewe watu wangu. Mimi ni content creator tu. Mimi ni content creator kama ama content creators wengine. Sasa kuna watu wanachukulia advantage ya maneno zangu zile nasema. Niko chini ya magoti yangu. Kofia pia nimewatolea majenzi. Sina ubaya. Naomba tu kama kuna mtu nimemkosea, tafuteni tu mahali kwa rozeni munisamee. Halafu tarehe 25 inshallah tutashirikiana na nyinyi.
Guys, uyu ni Swale na uyu ni ekuratuika arihire youth atumirirwo kana anageragwo bia athie kana ni atumirirwo gwetha youths. In one of the video kuria thiini wa live ya TikTok, Swale uyu ni ogire atiriri ati matumirirwo gwetha youths 200 na o youth afatie kurihwo 2,000. Akiuria mundu umwe atiriri riu tono uguo ya youth aria makuire mathie kuu uhoro wao ni atia. Swale augire atiriri ati acio tone makuire uhoro wao ni uthiri uguo ni gugwetho aki. So he is so heartless that ni confessire oguo. But now ni strategy iriku makahuthira day 25 go counter maandamano maya. Remember mine maandamano na marahuana ta mahako me manene kana mirurungano irahuana ta igakoro iguru muno. Andu ni merutire na day 25th June is very popular. Very popular. This date is very popular. Kwena candlelighting andu magakoma ihurite tauni. So magatumira strategy iriku magatumira njira iriku go counter mirurungano ino ya day 25. Imweno uyu wa guns ume backfire. Governor has been exposed. Guns ici ni kuramara thaici because the sender runi areva now niki tondu the sender todo guns ici nicio kete sika expose the sender Nikio rona Ruta Sware ameenda ushago mutole wake huko na viti mwega na tiatene jenzi marethana nake. No, the ascender nio marethana nao. Gitumi niki andu makia mwire kwaria makire kuma expose mama expose ite uguo as we speak, like governor wa Kanairo as we speak. Kwena hoteka munene muno kungikana kona na shira wa Hague no akagwetwo niki tondu ni agwetwo organize guns na guns yo akona ki andu magakua undu wa humanity. They are going against humanity. Whether guns kai 2020 kai 2007 wathiria atia andu ari othe mabangaga maundu macio etio mathire Hague. So in case undu uyu kinyira ICC kana Hague, Sakaja no ekore eho niki guns ici ni cirauga matumirwo nio. They are a witness, and that's what Rona Sware thaici. He's not in Nairobi, ashapotea, ashaingia kwa miti. So this thing backfired terribly. I don't know how they planned it, but it really backfired. No odoria wateithirie muno ex social media. Na to social media thimu ici kamera ya thimu ici, it's very powerful. Let me tell you, oria okire na kamera thiini wa thimu ni ekire undu mwega muno, because each camera cia thimu nicio ci expose all these things. Goes kono si jawa wa Korea Nairobi, Korea akwena ofici cia Sakaja makonekana makimusifu bona makonekana magithie kundu kungi, makonekana magitoro gina they are being escorted ni borithi. You saw these videos, but now vitus may backfire. Where will they go to? Watapotea wapi? Age na muna agetwo kwena mahulio haro njuru muno aya mathiete na nduthi. So wanapotea wapi? So 2025 guns ici citigatikira gutumirwo. They can't accept to be used. They can't accept to be used. Ona to 2025 no ona kuma guthie na mbere, no one will accept to be used. Tondu na maandamano mare mari kwa emergency hegwe no duka cia fujo neguo riu andu marona oma that ne guns cia tomago shike maundu macio watuika no ni protesters. Those protesters are peaceful. We maundu ma backfire guys. Uko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast. Moni manyu mariko inywe murona atia guys. It is what it is. Thank you. Gamatune amrathime.